Hey guys, and welcome back to another Subaru WRX vlog. Today we're going to talk about what most of you guys have noticed and commented about, the peel that used to be on my steering wheel. So what I'm really going to address in this video is what caused it, how to prevent it, and what you should do. So unfortunately, it was a quick remedy. I was already in the dealer, so it got fixed really quickly, so I didn't have time to get great footage, but I do still have the photo that I sent to the Subaru tech when I was, scheduling the issue. Let's take a look at that photo real quick. As you can see, there's some serious peeling, rubbing off of the leather wrap on the steering wheel. It's pretty bad. Well, it was pretty bad. It definitely made a difference in, how the car felt, because it's just something you just look at all the time. And it was also super uncomfortable to have your hand over. The wheel was really nice, and then you had this massive rough spot that was just really uncomfortable. Before we get started in the video, guys, if you want to see more WRX content or want to see the progression of my WRX, be sure to subscribe to my channel. So let's talk a little bit about what can cause this peel. Now, I've dealt with the peel obviously in this car, but I've dealt with it in other cars and friends' cars, and there's pretty conclusive findings on what can cause it. There's three main things. The first and the largest thing that can cause it, and what most dealers will ask immediately when you bring it in, is do you often wear hand lotion or put some type of cream on your hands? Many types of hand lotions and creams can mimic things that they're doing for your hand on the steering wheel, and often that will break down the steering wheel wrap. So that's number one. That's a huge thing. Now, another thing that kind of is encompassed with that is hand sanitizer. It will actually dry out the leather wrap, so don't do that. Number two on our list is gloves. Using mainly leather gloves can cause the peel. All it's doing is catching and tugging on it, and all you need is one little piece to start tearing, and all of a sudden it's all peeling off. Last on our list is rings. For all of you guys that wear rings for aesthetic reasons, or for all of you out there that are married, your ring can actually cause the peel. Now, it's not going to cause as serious of a peel as mine, but just nicking it once can open it up, and then it just gets totally worse. Now, right now, I don't have any of those things, and I've been very diligent about not doing any of those things on my car. However, I did buy this car used with about 25,000 miles on it, and I'm pretty sure the owner before me used some type of lotion. So prevention is all of the above. It's not doing any of those other things. You can also use a leather cleaner that they sell at most automotive stores that kind of rehydrates the leather and adds a protective layer. So let's talk about solutions, because I think this is what most of you guys are here in the video for. So there are three main options that should apply to pretty much all of you guys out there, and I'm sorry for a few of you if these situations don't apply to you. The number one is an aftermarket solution. This is going to be for all of you guys that either don't want to pay a dealer to get an OEM solution or are no longer under warranty for your car. There are two types of aftermarket solutions, and both are reasonably priced for what they do. There's just an aftermarket wrap that you re-sew around your steering wheel. These are harder to find because there's a lot more user error. Often shops and certified techs are going to want to do this for you. This is definitely a hard option, but is probably the cheapest. Your next aftermarket option is replacing the entire steering wheel. Now, people do this often, and you can actually get a pretty close OEM fixture. I'm not telling you to get one of those removable steering wheels that are really base and don't have any of the electronics. You can actually replace a large portion of your steering wheel with an aftermarket solution that also will give you aesthetic appeal. Now, a big company that does something like this is something like Speed. That's not a paid, product placement. They're just one of the companies that make them. This is going to probably be your most expensive option, but you might weigh that you're getting some aesthetic modification from that. The next option on the list is to take it into a dealer and get the dealer to replace it. This is probably the second cheapest option. The dealer does charge a lot in labor, but it only takes about half an hour to do. This is going to replace your steering wheel back to OEM fixture, and I own a 2015, and for those of you that own a 2015 or 2016 out there, they replace them with the wraps from the 2018 WRX. Now, this is a huge improvement because they've seen years of wear at this point, and they know what best solution will apply. Doing this, if you're paying out of pocket, is probably going to cost you between $100 and $150. You might get lucky and get it for just under $100, but from my experience, it's probably going to be roughly ballpark around $100. Now, if you're going to follow this solution, I suggest to go online on the dealers' websites and look up at newspaper ads. Often, local Subaru dealers will post discounts on either labor or parts, and it's definitely something to capitalize on. In the past, I've gotten 10-15% off service just because I brought in a coupon from an ad. The last solution is what I did, and I got really lucky. I brought mine in and I told the dealer, hey, I have some wear on my steering wheel. I sent them that picture that I showed you guys earlier, and they replaced it. Now, a really important thing here is I'm really close to the end of my warranty, and I think for a lot of you, you might be just outside of your warranty, or you might be still within your powertrain warranty. So before I get into this little spiel, they did replace my wheel. It took about half an hour. They just replaced the wrap around it, but I got the new 2018 wrap, which is super nice. They're not doing as pure of a leather wrap anymore. It's more of a hybrid between the two. And I think that's to protect against wear, because they probably have seen it a lot. So the most important thing about this video, and the biggest spiel that I have, is with other car manufacturers, I've been outside of warranty and I've had leather peel, and I've had steering wheel peel. And I've also had friends that have also had WRXs that have had steering wheel peel as well, and they've brought it in outside of warranty. Now again, it's not technically covered under warranty, but they've made the case that it's a part of your car that shouldn't wear it down as fast. Now I've seen this generally with other cars that are around 40 or 50,000 miles. Now if you have more mileage, you might still go at this approach. You might be less likely to see success. However, if you really think about it, your steering wheel is an integral part of your car. If you're not abusing it and you're genuinely taking care of your steering wheel, it shouldn't be something that peels or, peels, rips, or breaks. Now, the best way to deal with manufacturers, SOA techs, and all of the above is to be honest with them. Explain that you take care of your steering wheel, that you don't use lotion, you don't use hand sanitizer, you don't abuse it. And just say, hey guys, this is something that I should be able to use for the longevity of the car. It shouldn't be deteriorating this quickly. And I think more often than not, you guys might find that you might get lucky and they might replace it for free. I previously had a Hyundai Genesis Coupe, and I know that Hyundai at one point actually replaced all of them for free. They didn't tell anyone they were doing this, but they replaced them all for free to get data for their future vehicles, and I got mine replaced. I didn't know about that. I just took it in and I got that information after the process was done. So it can never hurt to take it in, be honest with them, and say, hey guys, it should be replaced. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment below if you've had this experience, if you have wheel peel, and if there's any other reasons that I haven't covered why your steering wheel could peel.